Welcome back to Repairs to Go. In this video, I'll show you how to hard reset the Samsung Galaxy A13, whether you're locked out, forgotten your password, or just want to start fresh. This works on both the 4G and 5G models A13, A13, and A13. Let's get started. Take note, you must plug in the device to a laptop or charger in order to work the hard reset method. Now press and hold the power button and the volume down at the same time until the device shuts off. Immediately press and hold together the volume up and the power button until the Samsung logo appears and quickly release all the buttons. Sometimes it needs a very good timing in doing this hard reset procedure. And now, you are in the Android recovery menu. Using volume buttons, scroll to Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and press Power to select. You can also wipe Cache Partition and press Power to select. Once done, choose Reboot System now. The phone will restart and return to its factory state. And that's it, your Samsung Galaxy A13 is now reset and ready to go. A hard reset, also known as a factory reset, is a process that restores a Samsung device to its original factory settings by erasing all user data, apps, accounts, and system settings. This is often used to fix software issues, remove a forgotten password or screen lock, or prepare the device for resale. However, it's important to note that after a hard reset, if the device was previously linked to a Google account, it will trigger Factory Reset Protection, FRP. This means you'll need to log in with the same Google account that was previously synced on the device to complete the setup, a security feature designed to protect against theft. So always back up your data and make sure you know your Google credentials before performing a hard reset. While a hard reset can be useful for troubleshooting issues, erasing data, or removing a forgotten lock screen, it will not bypass security protections on a Samsung device that has been reported lost or stolen. When a device is flagged as missing or stolen and linked to a Samsung or Google account, it becomes protected by Factory Reset Protection, FRP, and, in many cases, by Samsung's own Knox security platform. Even if someone performs a full hard reset, the phone will still prompt for the original Google account credentials or Samsung account login that were previously synced to the device. This anti-theft feature ensures that unauthorized users cannot gain access to the device, making it useless in the hands of someone other than the rightful owner. So, if you're considering a hard reset to regain access to your own device, make sure it hasn't been flagged as lost or blacklisted, and always remember your account credentials. If the device isn't yours or you don't have permission to access it, a hard reset won't help and could potentially raise legal consequences.